Hey guys, so I watered my grass early this morning. I cut it yesterday and also fertilized it too. Since we're pretty much at the end of April, so today is Thursday, April 26th. And I just got my car back from the repair shop. I finally put it in the repair shop on Monday because I was just tired of just driving a car with no air conditioning. And I mean, I drove it earlier Tuesday, and my goodness, it was kind of a warm, humid day, and I mean, oh my gosh, it almost felt like an oven inside my car. Oh man. So we'll just get in. So I got my invoice right here. Apparently, with all the stuff, I know you can't see that real well, it cost me well over $1,000. Just the problem was mainly with just with the air conditioning, and then also my squeaky serpentine belt. And also, even while I was at it, I also got an oil change. Which is pretty cool, because I was pretty much due for an oil change. And also a state inspection, because my inspection sticker was going to run out by the end of the month. So I decided to get those out of the way too. And they even got brand new wipers, because I was about needing some new ones. So apparently they didn't charge me for those. And let's open the hood. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Okay. And apparently, as you can see here, they put a brand new serpentine belt on it. But quite frankly, the problem wasn't really the belt at all. The main problem was the water pump, apparently. And I was kind of wondering on why I've been having to every once in a while I've been having to refill up my cooling reservoir with more antifreeze. Because I mean, I was kind of stumped about it, because I did check for any leaks, and I never saw any leaks. So this device right here is, as you see here, that's the water pump. So as you can see there, that is a brand new water pump. So cool. Cool. And they also as well as a full service too, they flushed out the power steering fluid, and then they also flushed out my transmission. So what made it cost so much was mainly just the water pump. And luckily with the air conditioning, all it needed was some refrigerant. So I got real lucky on that. Oh yeah, a brand new belt tensioner. Yeah, I forgot all about that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Got a brand new serpentine belt. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, it looked like this. I think that's the crankcase vent. Looked like they replaced that as well. So, cool. So let's start it up. So it's a warm start because I had just got back from the repair shop just a little while ago. Alright. Turn the radio off. And I got the AC on. Oh, the air is nice and cold now. Oh, yeah. Oh, it works just as good as when I first got this car. Nice cold air. So I'm all set for the summer. Alright, so now we'll go back under the hood. Oh yeah. It's all quiet now. Yep, no more squealing. Yeah, my cooling fan's in high-speed mode because it's been really warm. Yesterday it got up to almost 90 degrees. So cool. Well, I guess getting all this stuff done, costing well over $1,000. I guess it was well worth it. This is what I really enjoyed the most. Oh, the nice cold air. Alright guys, so I thought I'd just give you all this little update here on my car. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video. So, thanks for watching.